Okay, Eddie.
Alrighty, so the Azalea Cocktail, famous to the masters.
Yes.
Probably more famous than the golf itself, maybe at the end of the game.
I bet they look forward to a nice azalea.
Okay, now Teresa, you told me that this can be either made with gin or
vodka.
But my preference would be gin. You're going to start off with a shaker full of ice. And we're doubling the recipe, so we're gonna do.
So both you and Paula can have a drink, although she won't really drink it.
8 ounces of pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice. 4 ounces, a half a cup of lemon juice.
And that's fresh squeezed.
Fresh squeezed, yum.
Out of the yard?
Yes.
Or out of the grocery store?
Out of the grocery store.
Okay.
Bobby still has a lot of lemons hanging on
at
his
the
tree
top,
up top that I can't reach them.
Yes, I brought a ladder over to the yard too, and I still can't reach some of them. Okay, and then we're
Aren't you gonna put 8 ounces of gin?
same amount of pineapple juice, equal.
Whoa, that would make me drunk as a skunk.
Well, you're only getting 4 ounces of it. I'll give you 2 ounces.
Okay, how about if I have 1 ounce and you have the rest?
Okay,
7.
and then just a splash of grenadine.
That's so pretty, isn't it?
To give us that pink azalea. Well, let's do a little more.
Yeah.
Give it that deep
May I
azalea.
smell that, please? It's so pretty. I want to learn to have a cocktail when I grow up.
Well, you might get to do it today.
And then we're going to shake it up. I'm going to cover it
talking
just to be
about
on the safe side because it's full.
I mean,
Shake, shake, shake.
Yes.
do we need some more ice, Eddie,
Ah, that should do.
in the glasses or what?
And then, do you want some ice in yours?
I always
Just
like lots of ice. How about you?
I'll try mine without ice. And we'll do
Without
yours.
ice. Okay.
Can you show it in the shaker for me?
Yeah.
We'll take this out of the way.
Uh-oh, it's
Talk about
has-
full.
fizzed up. But it looks like a nice, like champagne, pink champagne.
Yes.
And now for the, sorry.
There we go.
Whoa, isn't that pretty? Yeah, see, and I would need the ice.
A little wedge of lemon. And served with the pink flower.
Oh, thank you, Eddie.
You can wear it as your Easter bonnet.
Yes, I wore an Easter bonnet yesterday.
Actually, I think this would make almost maybe 3 drinks.
I think it would.
Happy Masters.
Masters to you. The pineapple juice is very prominent
Yes, yes.
and very good. And the lemon juice gives it that little bit of tartness.
Little tart.
And it's good.
Yeah,
Now
very refreshing.
some versions tell you that you don't have to use the pineapple juice and you can just use lemonade. So you would do
Yeah.
lemonade, grenadine, and then either gin or vodka.
Yeah.
Oh. So with the
It's
Masters coming up,
tasty.
you can shake it up some and sit in your chair and
I mean, it was
watch
so
the show.
easy. I mean, I didn't have to do anything, so it was real easy to me. Well, to those that are looking forward to the Masters, I hope y'all have a wonderful week of watching. Love and best dishes. Happy ball hitting. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.